Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. Hope you all are in good health. Today I am sharing two simple recipes which I usually make at home and which are everyone's favorite, pasta and pizza. Yes, everyone try their own way of making them at home, showing you my way, that is Indian way of making them. Hope you all enjoy it. If you do like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Firstly, to make pasta, kept water for boiling. To that water, added salt and little oil to it. Always remember to add salt before the pasta is added to the water, and oil is added here so that the pasta does not stick to each other. Let it boil on medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. When the pasta is cooked well, drain the water. To this drained pasta, add cold water or regular water immediately so that the cooking process gets stopped. Now to a heated pan, add oil first before adding butter so that the butter does not get burnt. To the melted butter, add chopped onions. After sauteing it well, add ginger garlic paste. Then I added chopped capsicum and chopped green chilies. You can add chili flakes too. Then a handful of chopped carrots. You can add any vegetables you like over here. Then added chopped tomatoes. Added black pepper to it and salt. Then saute it well. Then added hot sauce and soya sauce. If you have a green chili sauce, you can add that too. I added little water so that the vegetables get tender, but if you wish, you can skip this step. Later on, after cooking for 5 minutes, added the cooked macaroni or pasta to it. Mix it well on a low flame. Then I grated some mozzarella cheese over the top. You can add any cream cheese if you like. Sprinkle some oregano for flavor. That's done. It's very easy and simple recipe. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section if you like it. Now moving on to the preparation of pizza. This video was taken few weeks ago. That day when I decided to make pizza at home. After starting the preparation, later on I came to know that the pizza sauce is going to finish. Still, I started the preparation by keeping it as a base for single pizza. To that base, added chopped onions, capsicum and corn, salt and spices just to give an Indian touch to it. Then added grated mozzarella cheese. For second pizza, I took leftover chicken curry as a base. The pizza bread I have used here is of Sanbulla company. It's not homemade. Inshallah, planning to make wheat pizza base at home sooner, so we'll share the recipe too with you all. After spreading the curry as a base, started cutting the chicken pieces as they were very big in size. Then added chopped onions, capsicum, corn and salt and spices, then mozzarella cheese to it. Then place them in a preheated oven and bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. I must say, the one I used chicken curry as a base tasted much better than the regular ones. So next time if you are planning to bake a pizza at home and you have any leftover curries, try them as a base and see the difference in taste by yourself. That's it for today. Inshallah, see you soon in next vlog. Till then, take care, stay safe and thanks for watching.